Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to convert HEIC to JPG on Mac. So first of all, here are the images that are in HEIC format. One thing you should know is that you do not need to install any extra app to convert HEIC images into JPG on Mac. Just follow the steps that I'm going to perform. First, select the files that you want to convert into JPG format. After selecting the files, right-click on them or use a two-finger tap on the mousepad. A new menu will appear on your screen. Now move your cursor over Quick Actions near the bottom of this menu. Some more options will appear on the screen, and you will find the option called Convert Image. We are going to use this option, so click on it to continue. A pop-up window will now appear on your screen. Here, make sure to check the image format. We want to convert the files into JPEG format, so select JPEG from the list. Next, choose your desired image size. But if you want to keep the original image quality, then actual size is the best option. Once everything is set, click on Convert to JPEG. And there you go, a duplicate JPG version that will instantly appear in the same folder next to your original HEIC files. And that's it. This is how you can convert HEIC to JPG on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.